Are you looking to add a unique effect to your Squarespace website by adding custom icons to your accordion block, but still want to keep the arrow icon or plus sign? Today I am going to show you exactly how to do it in Squarespace 7.1. So let's dive right in. Go to the section of the website where you want to add the accordion, click on Add Block, and we will take the accordion and design it according to your needs. Click on Save. If you want to add the same icon for all the drop titles, copy this code, or if you want to add different icons for each drop down title, you can copy this code. We will add different icons to each accordion, so we'll copy this code and paste it in the custom CSS section. Now we are going to upload our icons to the custom files. Now let me break it down for you. The background image property is where you will add your custom icon. Simply replace icon PNG with a link to your desired image. That's it. You have now added the custom icons to your accordion block. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video.